Hey guys, what's up? Today we have with us the GE73 Raider RGB series laptop. This is the latest offering from MSI with the 8th Gen i7 processors. MSI say that this is inspired from sports cars and the RGB master race, with illuminated top cover, keyboard and even the USB ports. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the MSI GE series comes with the all-new 8th generation i7 8750H Hexa core processor, the GeForce GTX 1070 GPU and 16 gigs of RAM that can be expanded to up to 32 gigabytes. The specifications alone are top-notch and should be an indication about the latest features in the laptop. Starting from the build quality, the laptop is made completely from metal, which gives it a very premium finish, and it certainly looks the part not only with the excellent build but also with the RGB lighting. The laptop feels very sturdy and reeks of high quality and materials. The top lid of the laptop though is a fingerprint magnet. Some of you may even like to have a skin on it. The hinges too are solidly built, but this is what you expect from MSI and their latest high-end laptops, and they've delivered it well. All of this comes in a 2.8 kg package, which is not too much considering that this is a 17-inch laptop. For the GE series, MSI are using the slogan "Light 'em up", and to back that up, you get light on the top lid with 24 color zones, and you can edit them with whatever color you want. What really stands out is the perky RGB customizable SteelSeries keyboard. Not only does it have a great key travel, very easy and fun to type on, good spacious keys which are good for playing games and even writing some code, but you also get some very interesting features with it. You can customize the keyboard for your selected titles. You get a preset for CSGO. This is what they call GameSense. The num keys act as ammo by default. The top row starting from the letter Q acts as the health, and both of them will act as a bar in the game and will indicate what percentage of each is remaining. This adds a whole new dimension in gaming and improves the overall experience. Not only this, you can play a GIF on the keyboard. I'm not kidding. You can import any kind of GIF and it will play that for you. How mind-blowing is that? Coming to the ports, you get a good collection of I/O ports, which includes a microphone and a headphone jack, USB Type-C, USB Type-A 3.1 port that is illuminated with a red light, and you get an HDMI port, a mini display port, along with the killer LAN. On the other side are two more USB ports with the illuminated red color and an SD card slot. As for the display, it comes with a Full HD 7.3 inch with a refresh rate of 120Hz, which is fantastic. The 120Hz display certainly feels better than the 60Hz monitor, especially while gaming. This is a TN panel which looks very good on certain angles, and you'll enjoy every bit of gaming, movies or anything that you throw at it. But at some angles it still isn't great. So overall a very good display and plus points for the 120Hz refresh rate. The webcam can shoot 720p videos at 30 frames per second, and that is decent. Nothing extraordinary here. This will suffice your occasional Skype calls, etc. Nothing more than that. So coming to the performance. This, as already mentioned, has the 8th generation i7 8750H CPU, which is a Hexa core processor, and with the GTX 1070, this can handle most of the games at ultra settings with no lag or loss of frames. We tried the CSGO, which performed really well. Even GTA 5 performed really well even at ultra settings. We got 120 FPS, which is fantastic. This being an 8th generation i7 laptop is a lot faster than the previous generation CPUs with 6 cores and 12 threads. This is a gaming beast. With the all-new Cooler Master 5 technology with 7 heat pipes, I repeat 7 heat pipes. Expect this to remain very cool even when playing high-end games. At higher temperatures, the fans get a little loud though, but this helps in maintaining a cooler temperature. This also has multiple heating vents for it to cool down, so for gaming and the overall performance, this is a total beast of a machine, which will handle everything you throw at it with complete ease. The speakers are even larger this time than the previous generation laptops, which produces a great sound but lacks bass, which is a little disappointing. But with the Nihimic sound system, you can customize a lot of settings and make the sound even better. You also have what is called the sound tracker that helps you while gaming to track the sound. You also get the updated Dragon Center with it. This looks better this time and keeps up with the theme of the laptop with the red color and the transparent background. The Dragon Center gives you access to the CPU and the GPU temperatures, the memory and the hard disk used. You also get some preset profiles in the new Dragon Center with special settings for various needs such as normal usage, high performance, etc. You also get 2 slots for which you can create a custom profile. The new Dragon Center also lets you change what you want to hear while playing online multiplayer games. This way you can choose whether you want to hear the audio from the game or the person you're playing with. So with all these features, high-end specs, latest CPU, 120Hz display, great build, excellent performance, mind-blowing cooling technology, this most certainly lights you up. So this will be launched at $1,79,000 in India for the 17.3-inch variant, which is about 8K less from the previous generation. So they've added a ton of new features, but they've reduced the price. That's a good move from MSI. For the 15-inch laptop, it will cost you probably around $1,64,000 in India. Both of these prices are a little high, I get that, but you'll have to see the specs, the features and the overall package. I think the price is justified. So guys, this is it from the video. Do let me know which feature you like the most in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. And if you like the video, do hit the thumbs up button as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.